Top in the news today, healthcare officials have confirmed a live outbreak of the deadly tuberculosis virus in the Caribbean regions. Announcement was made by healthcare officials today during a healthcare conference. Healthcare officials in the Bahamas are moving quickly to monitor the virus as it spreads. Epidemiologist Dr. Petula Lockhart reports live. Tuberculosis, or TB, is mostly caused by a bacterium called Microbial tuberculosis, or M. tuberculosis, which can attack any part of the body, including the kidney, spine, and the brain. Microbacterium tuberculosis is a type of infectious illness that belongs to the Microaceae family, which is a pathogen of tuberculosis. M. tuberculosis was first identified by Robert Koch in 1882. It was an unusual waxy coating on its cell wall that mostly caused by the existence of lipids such as mycolic acid. M. tuberculosis is very aerotic, which means it requires a lot of oxygen to grow. It should be noted that not everyone that contracts TB becomes sick. Two related disorders are the latent tuberculosis infection and tuberculosis illness, which can be deadly if left untreated. People can contract tuberculosis from another through the air when an infected individual coughs, sneezes, speaks, or sings. Other ways of spreading it are shaking hands, making contact with toilet seats, and sharing food or drink. When the bacteria spreads via the air, others nearby could catch the infection. It affects the lungs and is mainly infectious against the respiratory system in humans. The germs that cause TB enters the lung through inhalation and increases there. From there, they can spread throughout the bloodstream and into other bodily areas. It is possible for the TB disease in the throat and lungs to spread quickly. This indicates that individuals who have tuberculosis can predominantly spread the disease to others they interact with on a regular basis, including friends, family, and co-workers. The symptoms of TB depends on where the germs are growing in the body. TB germs typically grow in the lungs, chest pain, coughing up mucus or blood, and a severe coughing lasts 3 weeks or more are some of the signs of tuberculosis in the lungs. Additionally, symptoms including the chills, fever, weakness, fatigue, weight loss, lack of appetite, and nightmare sweats. Individuals who have latent tuberculosis infections do not exhibit symptoms, do not feel ill, and are unable to infect others. Treatments for tuberculosis involves a normal 4 to 6 or 9 month regimen of 4 antibiotics. These antibiotics are Epidemiology, isoniazid, pyrazimidine, and Rafam. The tuberculin skin test, known as Mantoux, is the most common way of diagnosing tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a deadly and contagious disease. This is why preventative measures against protecting yourself and others is very important. Here are a few tips to prevent tuberculosis. Remembering the importance of social distancing, covering your mouth when coughing or sneezing at all times. Remember to wash your hands, especially when after using the bathroom. Wash your hands before even eating your food. Remember to follow these preventative measures to protect yourself and others against tuberculosis. Remember
to follow these preventative measures to protect yourself and others against tuberculosis. Yours truly, epidemiologist, Dr. Petula Lockhart. Stay tuned and be safe.